Hi guys, so in this video we are going to mount our S3 bucket on AWS EC2, right? So first of all, let me go to IAM on my AWS console to create a user, right? So go to the IAM service and create a new user from users. Yeah. Put some username like just I enter Hamza and go to next. Yeah. So here we need to select the attach policy directly and click on a create policy, right? So these are some our policies listed there. Now we are going to create a policy. New policy would be created, right? So first of all we will select service. Service would be S3 bucket, and I will select list all actions. So next click on any for bucket and any object, right? It is access to give any bucket in S3 and any object, right? You can specify a specific bucket here. Now go to the next and just give a policy name accordingly and click on to the create policy. With, so I add a description there and now I just go to the create policy. Yeah. So the policy has been created. Now we will create a user with the new policy. Yeah, you can see our policies are has been created. Right, go to the users. Now create a user. Enter the username, and now I will just select that policy which we have already created. Yeah, now go to the access credentials, security credentials, and in access key, click on create keys. Right there, and access key, create a key, and just select command line interface CLI, and now you will get access key and the secret. Uh, yeah, so you can download it in a CSV format, right? And done. Okay, so now we will create a EC2 instance, right? Go to the EC2 service. Okay, in the EC2 I am just giving the a specific name of our EC2, S3-mount, and now I select the T2 micro, right? Linux AMI Amazon, and the instance type is T2 micro. So now for a key pair I already have, I actually have to create a new because I don't have already. So I create a .pem file. It will download a pem file uh, key for the instance, right? Just for to sh this server. So I will allow the ports of HTTP and HTTPS. Now launch the instance. So the instance has been created. Now I will go to our instance to just SSH it. Go to the just wait for until the connect button will be appear. Yeah, now connect on the now click on the connect button and go to the SS manager, SSH client, copy this one, right? So now I will open the CMD and go to the path where our PEM file, basically key file of EC2 has been uh, placed, where we have placed, right? I go to the downloads where I have where my key file has been there, and I will just put that as a command there and go with the yes flag, and you can see our EC2 instance has been correctly SSH. So first of all, we have to just install AWS CLI with the command of install, and it is already exist and installed. Yeah, so next I will create a directory for our S3 bucket in our AWS EC2 instance. So with mkdir, I will create a directory at home EC2 users with the name of bucket, right? So now I will just create some text files in the directory with touch command. And so now we will go to the S3 bucket and create a S3 bucket, right? You can just put any unique name in the bucket. So I just create a bucket. So yeah, actually my name is already exist. So I just put some numbers and now try again. Yeah. So bucket has been created. Now what we will do? Uh, Now I just logging with the AWS CLI which we have from the access key which we have downloaded before, right? With the command AWS configure, I put my access key and now uh, go with the secret key, right? You can't use my uh, keys because I will read the user after the video, so you have to create your own, right? Yeah, you can mention the region and you can leave it. And now I will go with the AWS S3, yeah, sync command for just to sync our bucket with the EC2 instance with the folder or directory which we have created on a user EC2 user directory, and just refer the S3 bucket where we are syncing this directory, right? So just copy the name of the bucket and just mention there. Yeah. So it is giving the error of access denied. Actually, the policy we have attached to the users, it has lack of access. So go to the IAM and just check, like it either it has access to put a object in a bucket or not. Yeah. So go to the permissions and yeah. So go to JSON and we'll edit this JSON, right? So Yeah, here there is only list access, and there is nothing the access to put the objects. So we'll put some lines there, right? Put object ACL, get object, and so on. So this will allow us to EC2 instance to just put the files in the S3 bucket. So now I will go to the EC2 again and try it again. So you can see there is no object right now in our S3 bucket, and I will just run the same command again. Let me do it again. You can see there are two files, text files there. I am just running the command again, and you can see it is uploaded, right? So if you just check the and refresh the S3 bucket, you can see the files are uploaded correctly. So we can also create a folder in our machine, in our EC2 server, create a directory. Like I create another directory in the bucket directory like Hamza, and just sync it with the same command, right? So it is not appears there because it is empty. If we just put any file or any files there, right, in a cd Hamza command, right, for example I just put a test.txt, and now when I will just go with the same command, then it will upload the directory with the file on a S3 bucket. You can see it has been uploaded. So that's it. We have mounted our S3 bucket with our EC2 instance perfectly. So let's meet in the next video.